Dear learners, we are going to deal with testing. In the last session, we have seen basic concepts of testing, how testing is useful, principles of testing, characteristics of testing, and how testing improves the quality of the software. In this session, we are going to see how we are going to implement testing and different types of testing. In order to test a software, there has to be a testing tools in which your software is tested for its completeness, for its correctness, and the desired output. The basic testing type is unit testing. In this unit testing, we test each unit, each part of a code for its correctness and for getting the desired output for that particular unit itself. When the testing is done, we conduct a test plan. For example, if you are running a C language code, each unit of a C language has to be checked for its errors, for its probable output, and what will be the basic errors in the system. The testing will be done by a tester who understands the language. When we are doing a testing, we are also verifying and validating various factors of the program. There is slight variation when we are verifying. We are just observing, we are doing walkthrough and noting the system's performance. Whereas validation is a minute and it is done at programming level and it requires a system to validate the code. We have seen how testing is important when you are going to give quality in the software. When we are implementing any software, if the software is real time and it is available for controlling various units or a process, testing again plays very important role to perform such software functionalities. For example, if you consider a banking software which is going to update its interest in particular time, in particular month, and we have not tested that particular date, probably the outputs may be very dangerous for a bank or for a system. When we have seen in a Y2K problem, the programmers could not accommodate the 4 digits of last year. Therefore, in the year 2000, many systems crashed, and you have seen this Y2K problem created havoc in the industry. It was a small error when the development was going on. They could not forecast. So as far as tester is considered, he has to see and forecast what will be the problems in the system. He has to see and input various combinations and consider user probable errors, and he has to consider the main blunders he may do while doing the programming. When we are doing testing, we are also seeing its functionality at various levels. Now we'll see how the testing is different from each other. Testing is done at different levels, as we have seen, starting from software development lifecycle, starting from first requirement analysis till implementation. So when each and every stage of a software development is tested properly, we can see that the testing is done at various levels. The basic level starts with module, or it is also called unit testing. Then there is the system testing. Then there is architectural testing and acceptance testings. We will see in the next session detail about each type of testing. Thank you.